This is a quick tutorial on how to create the Cognos Analytics roles in your Cognos Analytics environment using Cognos Analytics R5 and Active Directory 2012 R2. Firstly, we are going to be creating the Analytics Administrator role. Then we are going to remove everyone from the built-in Cognos roles, then create the Analytics Explorer role, create the Analytics User role, and finally create the Information Distribution role. As a prerequisite, the 4 groups and users have already been created in Active Directory, ready to be mapped to the Cognos roles. When a Cognos Analytics environment is first installed, the Everyone group, which includes all users, is a member of all these listed roles. In particular, all users are a member of the System Administrator's Cognos role, meaning that they have the capability to perform all tasks in the environment. This means the first thing that we need to configure is that there is only a defined user or set of users that have the System Administrator capability. To add a member to the System Administrator Cognos role, log on as the Analytics Administrator and go to Manage Accounts and select the Cognos namespace. Select the System Administrator Cognos role and choose the Members tab. Click the Add Member button and select your Active Directory namespace. Navigate to Accounts and then the Analytics Administrator group, click OK. Now select the Everyone group and remove it from the System Administrator's Cognos role by clicking on the minus button next to Everyone. Click on OK to confirm deletion. The next step is to remove the Everyone group from the built-in Cognos roles. Starting with the Adaptive Analytics Users Cognos role, go to the Members tab, click on the minus button next to Everyone, and click on OK to confirm deletion. Moving on to the Analysis Users role, you will need to repeat this process for all the roles listed that contain the Everyone group. Once you have completed this task, you can test it by attempting to log on as the Analytics Explorer user, which is no longer a member of any Cognos role. As you can see here, the user is unable to access the Cognos portal. The Analytics Explorer license role must be a member of the Authors, Consumers, Metrics Authors and Mobile Users Cognos roles. To add them to these roles, log on as the Analytics Administrator user and go to Manage Accounts and select the Cognos namespace. Select the Authors Cognos role and choose the Members tab. Click the Add Member button and select your Active Directory namespace. Navigate to Accounts and then the Analytics Explorer group. Click OK. Repeat the process to add the user to the Consumers, Metric Authors and Mobile Users Cognos roles. Log on as the Analytics Explorer user and go to My Preferences, Personal, Advanced to see the correct group membership and capabilities. The Analytics User license role must be a member of the Authors, Consumers and Mobile Users Cognos roles. To add them to these roles, log on as the Analytics Administrator user and go to Manage Accounts and select the Cognos namespace. Select the Authors Cognos role and choose the Members tab. Click the Add Member button and select your Active Directory namespace. Navigate to Accounts and then the Analytics Users group. Click OK. Repeat the process to add the user to the Consumers and Mobile Users Cognos roles. Log on as the Analytics user and go to My Preferences Personal Advanced to see the correct group membership and capabilities. The Information Distribution License role must be a member of the Readers and Mobile Users Cognos roles. To add them to these roles, log on as the Analytics Administrator user and go to Manage Accounts and select the Cognos namespace. Select the Mobile Users role and choose the Members tab. Click the Add Member button and select your Active Directory namespace. Navigate to Accounts and then the Information Distribution group. Click OK. Repeat the process to add the user to the Readers Cognos role. In addition to this, the Executive Dashboard capability needs to be removed from the Information Distribution group. To do this, go to Manage, Cognos Administration, Security Capabilities. Scroll to Executive Dashboard and select Set Properties. Go to Permissions and click Add. Navigate through the Active Directory namespace to the Information Distribution group and move it to the selected entries. Click OK. Check the Information Distribution group and select Deny for Execute and Traverse, and then OK. Finally, log on as the Information user and go to Personal Advanced to see the correct membership and capabilities. Once you have created the license roles, you can check that each one has been configured correctly by logging on as the Analytics Administrator and go to Manage and Licenses. The Used column will show which user role has logged on to the environment. Thank you for watching this video on how to configure license roles. Please comment on this video and visit our Cognos Analytics YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.